All right, for number 2, how much money would you need to deposit today at 9% annual interest compounded monthly to have $12,000 in the account after 6 years? So we would say A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the N times T. Now to fill in this case, we want to know how much we need to invest today, all right? Deposit today. This is our principal, all right? So that's what we're solving for is P. So that's our variable. What we know is that we want $12,000 is equal to P times 1 plus N after 6 years. Now, it's compounded monthly, so we would do 0.09 over 12 to the 12 times 6. Right, because we're compounding monthly, we take our annual interest rate divided by 12 because we only earn 1/12 of that each month, but we're not doing it 6 years. We're actually compounding 12 times 6, 72. So what you would do is in your calculator, you would like type all this into your calculator and you get some decimal. I don't actually know what it is, right? But whatever it is, you would want to write out all the decimal places. So it would be like number, dot, number, dot, 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 number. As many decimal places as you can. Then in your calculator, you would just do 12, continue it down here, 12,000 divided by this number here, number, dot, number, dot, 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 number, right? You would type it manually. And whatever answer you got, that's the answer you would plug in there, okay? This is one where, unfortunately, I would go to 8 decimal places. It could be a little bit tricky to figure out. All right. For the second problem, Javier's parents set an amount of money aside when he was born. They earned 4.5% simple interest on that money each year. When Javier was 15, the account had a total of $1,012.50 interest paid on it. How much did Javier's parents set aside when he was born? Now, this we actually use. So the formula I gave you, and I'll do this in blue, was A is equal to P times 1 plus RT. Well, if you distribute this P, you get A is equal to P plus PRT. And so this is like our initial amount, the principal, and then this is the interest. So another way you could look at it is interest is equal to P times R times T. And this, we're told that his interest payment, so this is not the total in the account, this is the amount of interest that they earned on it, was $1,012.50 is equal to P, that's what we're solving for, the principal. We want to know how much did they set aside, times a rate of 0.045, and then for 15 years, right? Because they did it when he was born, and he's 15 now. And so then you could just multiply all this together and then solve for P and find what P equals, and that's going to be your amount there.